Hi there, I'm Abhay from Adtunez, and in this video we are going to take a look at the comparison toggle which has been added to Adtunez. So to use this, let's start by navigating to the account section. This is where we'll be able to create comparison and use the new toggle feature. Here, this is the account section, and here we have various performance metrics that shows the data you would like to compare. And this feature will allow you to compare different sections at different times on the same page. So at the top here we can click on compare with button, and upon clicking it you can see a drop down menu giving different options like previous period, same period last month, same period last year, or custom value. You can select any condition to build your comparison matrix. What we'll do is select a comparison with the same period last month. So let me click upon this, and upon clicking we can see the metric showing the change in performance data. Now if you hover upon any pointer above any value you want to have a look at, then you will see a drop down that shows both current value and the previous value along with the change that occurred in the selected time period. So here we can see the current value 572, previous value 738, and the change is minus 166, that is 22.49%. So if the data is in red, some of your metrics needs to be improved, and if it is in green color, your campaign tricks are working in your favor. So that's the new comparison toggle feature on Adtunes. I also want to just highlight that this is a great new feature to begin using. If you like to learn even more about Adtunes, please take a moment to check out our channel. I've included a link in the description for how to unlink or relink your Google ad account from Adtunes. And of course, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.